What's the meaning of bloc? Bloc. Bloc.
Block. Block. The term bloc is used to refer to a group of countries or political parties that share common interests and goals, often working together to promote these interests on an international level. These blocs can be formed based on geographic location, ideology, economic interests, or other factors, and may range in size from just a few countries to dozens or even hundreds. Blocs can have a significant impact on global politics and economics, shaping the way that nations interact with each other and influencing decision-making on a wide range of issues. Understanding the workings of these blocs is important for anyone interested in international affairs or diplomacy.